How's it going, guys? My name is Reid Cunningham, and I'm very excited to announce that I am a new member of the Collision Drumstick team. Couldn't be more excited. I've been playing drums for about 24 years. I've been playing with many different bands over the years. I've been up in Los Angeles playing for about 10 years, played with a few different bands, a few different labels. I got to tour Alaska. I got to play South by Southwest. Um, and I play a lot of progressive metal, so I go through sticks quite a bit. And I gotta say, these collision sticks are way more durable and can last me way more sets than any other stick company that I've ever played with before. These things got a great craftsmanship. The fulcrum, the balance, it's great. It's amazing. And as you can see, I'm using 2B. I like to use the bigger sticks, either 3A barrel tip or 2B, but always wood tip, of course. Um, and I just couldn't be happier. The team itself, the A&R rep, great people. They get right back to you. And the song that I'm going to be playing for you guys today is called Salvotion. It's a play on the word salvation, but it's Salvoceoan, like the ocean. It's by my band that I'm currently playing with. The band is called And Ever. That's Andever. You can find us on all major platforms. Please check us out. And I hope you guys enjoy the song. And once again, thank you, Collision, for the opportunity.